Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. So starting off this hairstyle, we're going to be parting from ear to ear. Okay, this is how I set up doing my knotless braids. This is my first parting that I do. It just makes it easier for me. I've been, kind of doing knotless braids for a little while, so I kind of got used to it. Kind of got used to doing it like this. I'm just waiting until we get to the next part. Here we are. So now I'm going to be splitting that section into two. Okay, we're going to kind of go for the small, more the medium side-ish, okay? So now I am just cleaning that up using my gel, which I'm about to show here in a second. Here it is. That lock-in gel. Okay, she cute. I like her. Anyway, so now for this bottom section, I'm going to be doing 4 braids. And if you read the title, y'all know what I'm adding. And if you see my baby hair length and you saw the thumbnail, it was just like, y'all know what I'm adding. My little bit of wave. Yes, I am. Listen, before you unsubscribe, wait. There's reasons why I did this. First of all, I got my baby this book. I got her a natural hair book. Tell him, son. Huh? Yeah. I got my baby this natural hair book. And in that book, the girl, she had braids. And Isla, my daughter, did y'all even know her name was Isla? Wait a minute. Anyways, she wanted her hair to look like that. So I was like, okay, that's cool. That's cool. Another reason is, Isla's hair is a bit shorter in some places. Now, some people can just say, why don't you just add a tiny bit of weave with the shorter places? Because I didn't want to. I wanted my baby to have some hang time. No, but in all seriousness, I do completely understand where people are coming from, where they say don't put weave in kids' hair. Doing this hairstyle, and then I have another hairstyle on my channel where I did put weave in her hair. I do have mixed emotions about it, but I still preach to her that her hair is beautiful. And I was letting her know that this is added just to protect her hair, because this is a great summer hair protective style. So yeah, I'm just gonna oil her scalp every day and we could just get on and go. I ain't gotta wash her hair. Like, we ain't gonna come home from the pool and I gotta detangle and wash her hair. I ain't doing all that. I'm not doing all that. But it's gonna be great, and I'm gonna come back with just natural hairstyle. I already have an idea of some mini twists. I always want to do mini twists in her hair, but her hair has shrinkage, but I kind of want to play off of that. Stay tuned for that though. It's gonna be fire and pressure. Okay, so yeah. And here are the 2 rows done. Sorry, I'm not going to go into detail how to do all the braids and things. I would have, but my camera battery don't want to see me win. And it was dying when I set up this fire angle. So I had to stop recording and let that battery charge. So here I am doing that other ear to ear part. And this was the fire angle. Oh, it would have been pressure for y'all to see what I was doing. But sadly, this is all y'all gonna get. This is all y'all gonna get. But it's okay, because now we're gonna move on to the main event, the front section of her hair. But before we dive into that, take a look at this. Yeah, I did that. So now we are on to the front section of her hair. So the first thing that I did was part out the 2 knotless braids that are gonna go right here. I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna check back in with y'all. So here I'm just playing around in her head. I'm just trying to get my party right, because in the original photo, which is this one right here, she had 2 braids on both sides, and I realized I can't do that on Eyelid's head. So I just did 1 braid, and I was trying to part out for the triangle pieces because I really wanted that to be, you know, the bang and get that centered right. So I went ahead and sectioned off all that hair, and now I'm going to be working on that braid that's right next to the middle part. Sorry, this is a horrible angle too. I really thought when I was recording that this was great. It wasn't, babes. But I'm just going to go ahead, braid this, and then we're going to move on to the other sections. Sometimes it's hard to tell, so you may not be in the mood to learn. Now I'm going to be parting out the bang. I'm going to keep saying it. Not the bang. The bang. Oh, 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 oh. No. Anyways, here I am just parting out the triangles. Didn't count. It don't matter how many triangles you got. Just whatever will fit in that section. Yeah. Confusion can't give way to So now I'm going to section off 3 braids, and I'm just going to go ahead and start braiding.
Another woman that can take your spotlight.
So now that I got that one side of the head done, I'm gonna go ahead and do this other side. Unfortunately, y'all not gonna see me finish it all the way through. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But y'all gonna see me do majority, like parting and stuff like that. And obviously, you know, this side is the same as the other. So yeah, I'm just gonna let this play through, and then we're just gonna meet back up when I do them beads.
Like you, this ring here represents my heart. But there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You can be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. And another woman that can take your spot, my love.
And y'all, this is the hair all done. We not done yet because we gotta do them beads, but look at it, babes. Ooh, now my son running into my leg. Anyway, but look at it. Yes, ma'am. Y'all hear them clicking and clacking in the background, can't y'all? So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and add the beads on. Oh, this is the back. This is the back. I didn't make it too long, but it's still cute. I love shaking the beads. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's just so cute. And she wanted the blue. So cute. So I got these beads off of Amazon. This is the packaging that it came in. Super, super cute. Like I said, she wanted to do blue. And you know what? With this hairstyle, she giving me Avatar. She my little avatar. I don't know. But yeah. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the beads on. But we ain't done yet, baby. Because we got to move on to my favorite part. The accessories. Yes, ma'am. Y'all, I cannot. Look at this hairstyle. Look at it. Oh, it is so gorgeous. I love it so much. I'm waiting for the bang part. Hold on. Let me flip the bangs. You cannot tell me that don't eat. You cannot tell me the bang don't eat. Woo! Shake them beans, baby. Shake them beans, baby. Show them in the back. Show them back. Shake them beans, baby. Now with the style being all done, we got to put some oil in it. And I promise that's oil. It's my little special oil with my little herbs and stuff. You know, I'm trying something new, you know. Anyways, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you like this hairstyle, also give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? Because I would love for you to be part of the family. All right, y'all. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.